Locking in on Instagram. We're live today with the one and only, the general, the icon, the legend in the dancehall music, the one and only Echo Minott. And as before, we were asking him, how did he got started in reggae music? So we want to hear his background on this. How did you got started and when you got started?
Well, I got started in 1980. I was at a sound system. King Jammy was playing in Waterhouse. And I got a chance to hold the microphone. And when I hold that microphone, I ripped it in pieces.
Yes, sir.
Then I went home. I was 16 years old at that time. When I went home, the morning, the selector of Prince Jammies come to me and said, yo, the boss wants you. That is Prince Jammies.
Yes.
So when I went to Waterhouse at the studio because I was living in Myrie at that time. I was living in Myrie. So Waterhouse steps. So when I went to Waterhouse, I went to King Tubby's studio. And that was Jammies was the engineer at that time.
Yes, sir.
So when I went to Jammies, he said, I heard that you was doing good at my party. And I said, okay, go ahead. And he played the first rhythm. And he said, you want to try? I said, yes, sing the first song. When I finished, he said, come and listen. When I listen, I can't believe it was me because, like, it's hard to explain. Anyway, he said, you're next rhythm. He played next rhythm. That's the second rhythm. I sing it, bam, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. He said to me, say, youth, if you can't find 3 more songs, it's a album. So, can you do it? I say, yeah, give me a day at home. Let me go home and come back the next day. And when I go home, I come back, rap, chill down. Jammies comes up, rap, England.
So Echo, what was the first? Which was the first song?
That was Noel Philips, my right name.
Which was the first song that you recorded for Jammies?
The first song?
Yes.
The first song was that Youthman. It's not in Echo Minott. The album is called Youthman Vibration, Noel Philips. My right name, that album.
So can you give us a...
So when I did that album,
yeah,
I have even have the album I can show you, but sure, see
seal it.
I have the album right here, yeah. but you know, like a young tender age, you know, it's not the same like if you listen it, but it's very rootsy because that album was a roots on dancehall. Maybe them time in a dancehall, another dancehall, a roots album. It's called Youthman Vibrations. Okay, so you can look it up, Noel Philips. So at that time, no Jammies went and came back 1983. No, 82, yeah. And when Jammies came back, Jammies started his studio. I'm the first singer for King Jammies. The first singer for King Jammies. If you look at that song, it's named Prince Jammies 001. So that is the first song, first release in England.
Can you give us the first chorus or verse in that song so we can, so if people don't know that song, them can know the song. That I know people know.
The Zion. Yeah, well, it was on the Zion Gate with them. Boom, 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 boom. Dennis Brown is on the same rhythm too.
Okay.
I was singing, come along, youth man. Come along, youth man. So let's live. together.
Jaja.
The youth of today, the youth is the man of tomorrow. Then chuck it today, then chuck it today, then choke it and kick the bucket tomorrow. Come along.
So you started.
Yes,
You started off with a cultural background. So who was your inspiration in dancehall? Like when you grew up and say, yeah, listen music and you go party and say, you know what? The artist, the body, no, I want to sing like him or I want to be like him. Who was your inspiration in those days before you got started?
My inspiration was Barrington and Levy.
Barrington.
Barrington Levy. Because when we say Barrington, yeah. Because then the idea now, it's like Barrington Levy started maybe 1 year before me, but him was the man and me say, wow. I was the clue at the album release in England, and many people, I get a lot of feedback. Because Barrington Levy was the first. But my inspiration really is from Barry Brown.
Barry Brown. And who is Barry Brown for people who don't
Sugar
know
Minor.
Barry Brown? Who is Barry Brown for
Barry
people who don't know Barry Brown?
Barry Brown died. Barry Brown died a couple of years ago, many years ago. But Barry Brown was one of the man them where, if you listen, even some of the songs, Barry Brown slow. Because I was having mostly if you listen to the album, you can hear a little piece of Levy in it because then Tiny Bantan Levy.
Yeah.
Just bust too.
Yeah.
But Barry Brown and Sugar Minott Brown are my 3 artists that inspire me. So imagine me have the 3 pieces of something in me. Who can talk to me around there?
Okay.
You understand?
Bad. So if you were to put
one style, I know.
Yeah.
Even Dennis Brown.
The Prince. The Prince of dancehall.
Dennis Brown, I saw Dennis Brown in London and Dennis Brown.
2045.
Dennis Brown said to me, said, Echo Minott, you know that is you change this music thing. And I said, why is this up? It's like from roots,
Yeah.
going back to the dancehall.
Yeah.
You understand? Where them call no dancehall, I will start that. Because remember, when I came with Put Your Hand on the Key, that was the birth of digital.
Okay.
You understand? That's when the first digital came out, 1985. Remember, we have one job,
Yeah.
But when Sling Thing come,
Yeah.
the whole ball game changed on the song.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
From the one job.
So Olano, since as we have you
because
here
his
right
computer
now,
coming right there.
Like that. But like when you say Slim Thing, right? And you have 2 songs on the Slim Thing that I think everybody's supposed to know them song, right?
I'm the only artist that sings on that rhythm 2 times.
Yes, man. So right now, more you give me a medley with them 2 songs there right now, so the people them can get a live feel a while go on. Them 2 songs, the more you just medley them.
Whoa, hey, Echo Minott, I'm making back so, hey. Put them on the key for me. Put them on the key for me now. Touch a big key like a touching titty. Remember you see the stuff, remember that one? Yeah, I want fast up my cheers the thing.
Yeah, yes. And I'm
One job. Enough man to know that.
Real.
I mean, I come back with the original for 10. On a me fat thing, on a me fat thing, on a me big thing, on a me big thing.
Yes, brother, yes.
We can go on and on.
Yes, man. I remember. So because a lot of people don't remember these songs, I know, say, even Lazy Body, when you hear the Marco song that went #1 in a lot of places, and if you listen, everything is your lyrics, Lazy Body thing come from there. So how do you feel in yourself to know, say, your song from back then could be re-sung and be a #1 same way?
I not come back. It not come back. It's still there if to right now 30 years and it's play that lazy body right now. Anyway, in any oldie that play happy pull up. Just imagine I get $1 after each pull up. I would be a millionaire.
Real, rich, real man. But if you were to say,
Yeah, but I feel good because you know what, me have to teach youth them, you know.
yeah, if you were to say, yeah, when you started in music back then to where the music is now, what kind of change have you seen?
The changes that I seen, the reggae is fading because no man now do the real reggae because everybody are jumping that is a wagon thing, you know. We normally, you know, we still stand in a reggae. When digital come, we still hold the reggae thing. In a change, but you know, R&B, maybe a one tool come and do where we are, but it not change like now because everybody gonna chop and some people gonna, you know, it has to go. So everybody are joy from the reggae when they have the reggae thing. So the reggae are afraid. Only the original man them can't hold it and say why I even reggae, but really check it. Everybody gonna chop the whole of young youth them and they gonna chop and them gone reggae.
I totally agree with you. So what would be your advice to these young guys that are
Our culture in Jamaica is reggae music.
yeah.
Every country have their culture. Them have calypso at Trinidad, them have the Brazil, them have tango, them have everything. We have reggae. You understand?
Yes.
I'm not going to promote them and produce as them. We are producing so easy now, and man just make a thing in a house. Make a rhythm and emotion, put spend time way, but I know so because the idea with the culture of reggae. If you can't like that reggae, go fade. That's why it's always gonna be back to we the original. It'll run back to. You understand?
Yeah.
But me not like all the lyrics them do and do back and reggae same way because at the end of the day, all these chops them just some 2 months and them now go they back in 35 years. Just imagine 35 years now you have chop. No. Reggae, we have to hold our foundation, our thing that. That's why so much people that come on and come over reggae and take it because the man them say okay, them don't need that. And them now record the reggae.
Because you know the funniest thing that I have been seeing, I have been seeing that.
You understand?
I have been seeing that now Europe is more known for reggae than even Jamaica because Europe is taking over the reggae and Jamaica is receiving their background.
Okay.
So what would you have to tell these young youths that you see out there that's doing it?
Well, me now not to tell them now that me say reggae me depending on. And I reggae me now go chop and me now go them me no say me now go chop. But I know how our culture reggae we can make the same reggae thing them and the same lyrics when them make and the same thing. We just a wagon is a man that jump on that floor child bus and with the master tune and them thing. Them done a reggae. That's why in Europe right now. How much of them you see in Europe? Come from festivals and them. How much of them you see?
You're right about that.
How much of them you see come
You're right about that.
Eh?
Well, yeah, for real, you're right.
All right. Them go America and them go with the Jamaican. But over here, so when I talk to something, you have to come. They can come in the chop over here, upon the way. They don't need that.
Okay, for real.
Them chop, they now make people feel pain when they, okay, you know, like an artist can feel people pain. I would, I say, I'm going to sing a nice, a good reggae. We're happening. Just check the thing, man. 2 months, and them.
For real, man. And I totally agree with you because.
So, me not drop my thing. Me not drop my thing. I reggae for life. I reggae forever.
For real. I have a question for you, Echo.
Yeah,
right?
man.
I have a question for you. This name, Echo Minott, yeah? But your correct name is not Echo Minott, right? where did you get this name, and who was the one that
Noel
inspired you for this name?
Well, I did a play when I was going to school. Edie Dalton James School, right?
Yeah.
I did a play as a robot.
Where's that school? Where's that school located?
So the professor made me.
Yeah.
And Edie Dalton James. That was in Dorney Park, Kingston.
Okay.
But yeah, Edie Dalton James. Yeah, in Dorney Park. So what happened? I went into a play and I was like a robot named Echo Troy.
Echo Troy.
So the professor made me, and he taught me 3 things: stand up, walk, and I kill. 3, walk. So after I learned those 3 things from the professor, there's a man came in, and the professor owed him some money, and he paid me my money, and he drew a weapon.
Yes.
So the professor said, stand Echo Troy, walk Echo Troy. And I walked because the man that came, he never saw me.
Yeah.
Because I was sitting like this.
Oh,
So he said, stand on the man, bam, clap and kill him.
Okay.
And then I sit back down.
Yeah.
Then the next man come in again, so 3 men I kill. So after the 3 men, he said, oh, I love my robot so much. Echo Troy. All I have to say, stand Echo Troy, walk Echo Troy, kill Echo Troy. And I end up killing him. Because that's the 3 things they taught me to do, so I end up killing him. So after, the whole school started calling me Echo Troy. So after Sugar Man, that was my idol, and I decided, I said, you know what? I'm going to take off the try and put on Echo Man.
Okay,
And it works.
Okay. That is a story for that name, you know, man. I never did you tell anybody the story before, man?
Yeah, sometimes when they ask, because there's so many stories. I have so many, like, you know, you just have to say it, ask.
So I want to ask you our next question, yeah?
Because I'm doing 41 years, you know, in the business.
Yeah.
Yeah.
41 years in the business, yeah?
Fine. So.
You say you're doing 41 years in the business now, right? And I want
Yeah,
to
this
know
year make 41.
Which song was your first hit song? Not known,
My
but
first hit song was 1983, Love Problems, for Joe Gibbs. La 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 la. As far as my eyes can see, there is a lot of love problems hanging over me. The girls don't have no pity on me. My girlfriend is so jealous, you see. Yeah, that girl, she cares for me. Hey, Lord, oh, the mama do over me, hey, boy. And the mama do over me, hey. How when they see me, them a roast me. And when me have a make them want me. Monkey lotion not over me. Only girl I get ugly for me. Only girl I go hospital for me. My girlfriend is so jealous, you see, lad.
This is turning not into an interview no more. This is turning into a stage show. I like the vibes. I swear, I like the vibes. I like how you like to perform, my brother. You know what I mean? I like how you just like the art you have. You see? I like how you like your art you have, you know? Performing.
Then I'm a job, man.
Yeah, man.
I'm a job.
So
that's my job, man.
Where are you located in the world at this time?
Well, the song name Being Around the World and No, I'm in France. I'm in France.
Okay, you're in France. And how is the music? All right. In Jamaica, you know that.
I'm all over the world.
Okay, so how is your how does the people in France welcome you? Is like do they show you a lot of love in France comparing to Jamaica, or is it a little bit of the same?
Well, anywhere we go, you know, anywhere we go, it's the same energy and the same something. No change.
For real.
But in a France,
Yeah.
you know, say, well, France are more roots, so roots. So because I have some songs where people know in France and don't know it in Jamaica. And many artists too, big in France, and nobody know them in Jamaica.
Yeah, for real. I know
Many.
a lot of them big in, a lot of them have a lot of hit song in Europe.
Big in France, and you calling them in Jamaica, nobody don't know them.
For
so
real.
I just say go, you know.
I know that. But no.
But Mr. go anywhere me go,
yeah.
Are the same.
Yeah, for real.
You hear me?
For real.
No, God. Same energy, accent them body, man. Me not drop my thing, man.
For true, my brother. Right now, I want to ask you, like, no, we know that we have a catalog of your old songs, you know, a whole lot of them that was in the past. But what are the new songs that you are releasing now? Do you have an album out? Do you have any new production out so you can tell the people and tell them where them can find them, so we can go support the thing?
Well, my album before after 1987. That was my last album for Kingston. And I did an album in 2000, 3 years ago. It's acoustic album. I have many features on it, also Capitan, Jazz Wad, Dean Fraser, my son Jahnny Minott.
Yeah.
So, and that was 3 years ago. And the latest I have now, as I say, it's this album, The Man of the Road. The Man of the Road album. This is the latest album.
Man of the Road. Okay.
It consists of 10 songs. No. Yeah.
And is
it's 21 hours.
11 songs on it, and I have a single that couldn't hold on the album.
Okay.
Name Sweet Sensation.
Okay.
It's a cover from the Melodians. Oh, what a sweet sensation.
Good song. So right now I'm going to drop.
Lord, what a strange emotion.
I'm gonna drop a song from that album, Man of the Road. Right now, I'm gonna drop a song from Man of the Road album. So people that logging in, I think this one of the songs them where go back to the roots of Echo Minott, where him say, yo, the slim thing kind of vibes and them kind of vibes. So I'm gonna play that song. I hope you enjoyed as much as I enjoyed, because boy, some things in that song you have just have to really listen. So I'm gonna play this song. The song is entitled Ding Ling.
Ding Ling. That song I did 1982.
Now, I have a question for you, my brother. This song, where did you get the inspiration from for this song, bro? Where did you get inspiration from this song?
In the 80s, I have a Chinese girl and she named Tingling. I call her Tingling.
So are you trying to tell me, so from the 80s till now you're still thinking about Tingling?
No, because that was a song I did. I think that was my release in the 80s. Was 1983 after Love Problems, Tingling.
Okay.
So it was done from in the 80s. I was the only one singing about China, but China girl and singing Tingling. Teach her to DJ, me teach her to sing.
Okay, because on the album
Make
we
sure we
can
ever go
see,
out here.
on the album I can see that it's Dingling redo. So you did it.
Yeah, but no, the ding is not ding. It's really tingling. They made a mistake at the graphics.
Okay,
Tingling.
Dingling, yes, redo. And that song is a very, iconic song for me right now. I like it. I swear I like that song. But Echo.
Everybody, all of the hell of people that know this song.
Yeah, for
Can't
real,
tell about this,
for
man.
real,
Big
for
song.
real,
And tell me,
for real.
enjoy it, man. Anyway, we try to tell me catalog.
For real, man. Because
Yeah, man.
when you send me all the songs that you had, I have to be looking at them and say, but I don't know a lot of these songs. A lot of your songs that you sent to me from in the past,
Well, I
the old
did.
songs, and I don't know them.
Well, I did over maybe over maybe I did over maybe 800 songs in my career. A minute, maybe 500 release plus many that haven't released.
That's a lot.
Wasting no time, man. I do many songs, man. Many. My catalog is big, man. Every catalog.
Okay. So I have a next question. So from the time that you have been in music, how much artists have you have inspired or you have helped to further their career? And do you have any new artists that you're putting out there right now?
Well, that's a good question. I have many artists that I'm the first one that take them into the studio. Yes. And you can see them. Goofy, Mr. G, the first man take him to the studio.
Okay.
Half Pint, the first one take Half Pint to the studio. Anthony B, I'm the first one that take him to the studio. Mark Wanda, I'm the first one that take them to the studio. And I have these tapes I can show you them from 1983. Okay. It's Half Pint, First Advice.
Okay.
Plus, but the first recording is Half Pint, Anthony B, Goof Wanda.
For real.
And you can see them and ask them.
Well, that's good, man. I like that. I like that, brother.
So I've been producing when I was 16 years old. I told my father I want a tape after I did the album for Jammies. And when my father gave me the tour, you know what? I've tried to produce something for myself, because we are 16, When we get the tape, I went, and when I go to Jammies see me walking in the studio with the tape. He said, wait, you're a producer? I said, no, well, I have two for myself. I said, two with me, I beg you. And when Jammies give me the rhythm there.
Yeah.
The first man advice and the rhythm is Half Pint.
For real.
So a long time I produce, I have enough right now my record label right now is Napem Record. Napem Record is Noel Anthony Minott. Nap M.
Okay, I see. Napem Records. Okay, I like that. That's a good look.
Noel Anthony.
There's a few artists that come together to create this record, yeah?
Yeah.
No, that's
so I produce long time. I produce many songs. I produce my own, plus co-produce. And right now, we have a lot of production to put on. Maybe I have 50 odd songs of other artists, because I like to try artists, because at the end of the day, you don't know what can happen. So I say artists, I have something I must bring and record them.
For real.
I made that.
For real, man. But no.
You understand?
No, as in 2021, yeah? Do you have any new artists around that you are push right now?
So, My son this.
All
Jahnny
right.
Minott.
Okay, so Jahnny Minott, get a squeeze in the camera, make us see.
See, man.
Make we get a little short interview of you too.
Son again, name never quit. Me one next son.
Yeah.
Okay, me one next son name never quit.
Okay, big up, never quit. Big up yourself, never quit. And Jahnny Minott, you understand me? So does Jahnny Minott have any?
Oh, him in there.
Does
Big
Jahnny
up them. Eh?
Minott have any songs out there now?
Jahnny Minott, yeah man. Jahnny Minott, he might like fire. Me fi tell you.
Jahnny, come and tell us about the songs you have them.
Jahnny have three video you can look on it. Jahnny Minott, Kingston City. Make come in.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Sure. You see it? You see the live get hot now.
Yeah.
The turnout from 1 to 2, you know?
Place, you know.
For real, man. Pick up yourself, Jahnny Minott. Welcome to the chill spot, you know?
Yes, man. Up, that's the whole team blue, man. And big up bad night place, you know, what you think, you know.
For real, man. For real. I hope you're bad like your father, you know, brother. You can't understand that.
I want to tell us if I come bad.
Man. So, do you have singles out or do you have an album out?
You know, then no more to call Papa Nova. Time come.
Yeah, man. Me have an album release in a May. In May.
What's the
When I
name?
get the date feed here.
What's the name of the album?
That also. When I think funny, as in get a name already, but me a couple names, but when I find that also.
Okay, but I'm going to drop a song.
But by then, man, you see me? But everything the album done already, you see.
Yeah. You sent me a few songs, yeah? And you sent me a few songs, right? And there's one song on your album that is not released as yet that I fell in love with, my brother. You know what I mean? Never said that song you're bad. And me I go play that song right now. Everyone that's listening on TEAMBLUE Entertainment Radio, we have a song from the man himself, Jahnny Minott, the son of Echo Minott. I want you to tell me if he's better than him daddy, because that song you're bad. I'm gonna drop a song right now. The song is known as Mama. And I'm gonna drop this song right now from the man himself, Jahnny Minott.
Do you gone? Now worry. Jam best never do the wrong. You know me. Watch out, mama. Hey, pull it up, you're fine. Do you gone? Now worry. Jam best never do the wrong. You know the memories long as live on. Till you're the best man. And 9 months you carry now your belly, you know left me. Though the separation make you weak and that they make me. Love but the heart you want me and be alone. Gonna make you so proud, mommy. Can't forget in the past. How much complain and my cast. Daddy grow me rough, but you grow me soft. Despite all the troubles, you don't know my thoughts. Do you gone? But not worry. But I'm best never do the wrong. You know
No, that's If you're just logging in, we are live in studio with the man himself, Echo Minott and Jahnny Minott. This is a song from the man himself, Jahnny Minott. Song entitled Mama. It is not released as yet, but you can't hear it right. Just a brand new release, guys. Listen to the lyrics, listen to the lyrics. Can't forget in the past. How much complain and misery my cast. Daddy grow me rough, but you grow me soft. Despite all the troubles, you alone know my thoughts. Do you gone? But not worry. But I'm best to never do the wrong. You know the memories the long as live on. Angela, you're the best woman. Watch out, man. No, that's song, yeah. No, that's song, yeah. Reaching for the mothers. All the mothers that passed away still have love for them. You grow the man rough. But you hear the man I say, The man say you're going rough, which is right. You understand? Okay, if you get him ready for life.
And you know, they don't know say, you know, man never quit mama. It's at the same.
For real. For
A
real.
grown man kill a mother, you know.
Jaja.
A new lad. So, you know,
Jaja.
it's very, very touching, but
Yeah.
a good song.
A good song. Man.
And many youths lose their mama and you know can sing about it. I feel feeling, you know. And it's a good song because I love it.
I just
Yeah, man, memories, you know.
My blood run cold because I never know sir this behind. I never know the story behind the song. We just get the song them and we just say no that song yeah. Like that
Then
song.
that's why I have to bring them in family. Because if I never bring them in family, them would have DNOs at Jamaica, because things, you know, when they meditate and do say, well, it's a one man kill the mother.
For real.
Now, you know, a different, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So a memory song to me, every time I hear it, a memories it bring back many memories.
For real, man. For real.
I never quit do a mother tune first, you know. A real touching tune, a real good song, you see me? And it touched me, I said, watch me have to write one better than this, you see me? Because that's how we grow up, you know. You see me?
For real, brother.
But it's a tune that every man can relate to, you see? Still there, you see me, no say, you see me?
Never go to it was a tragedy. It was a triple murder, a 2 woman, 1 man.
Jaja.
We don't remember that they shooting. But them boy they lay down already, you know.
Yeah, we are gonna leave that one there.
Because them,
We don't want to know.
all when they say a man kill people, it might be we might
We are gonna leave that one there. We don't want you reminisce too much on the crying go on right now. We are try, you know, keep the strongness
I'm
and
maybe tell you.
you understand me? You know what I mean? So right now, Echo is there
Yeah, man.
that we should be looking forward to a new album, some shows when this corona thing done. So tell me what we can look forward to.
No, man. I have a new album working on right now. Right now, I have an album. Even that song I did, send it to you. Judge and do it. The album is finally coming. The album I did that album really from 2006, and I do that song and I put some more songs together in 2008.
Yeah.
So the song is everything is ready now. It's just vice. I do first was like a demo.
Okay.
And there's like it's got it have 14 tracks.
Right.
So look out for the next album.
So people,
right after Judge and Joey album.
Judge and
Joey album. Production.
Look out for Judge and Joey album from Echo, and Jahnny Minott album is not as yet.
Check the single. If you listen to the single, I want next something again.
Okay.
Judge and Joey.
This
is enough. It's not you. Tell me who gonna find the jewelry. Smooth and silky. The one of the vice show when no they find the judge guilty.
Bad.
Them showing the world that they are so perfect. From no mistake no make. They wanna no need no object no.
Judge
no. If you know never wrong yet, what that the earth as Almighty is coming to Bonuno. If you are busy, if you know conscience no boguno. This is a piece not fury. Tell me who is gonna find the jewelry.
Jaja. You know,
it's not too smooth, not silky.
They never pay for that show, you know. That stage trade, they never pay for it. Book for it. So, look out for that album, Judge and
it's your first thing, you know, so you think it's your first show, so it have to be exclusive. Remember that. It's your first live. All right. So it have to be exclusive. exclusive.
Understand me? No
I mean, already,
freestyle, you know. No
we
freestyle, you know.
can go until
Expensive
tomorrow
style.
if you want. Because we don't have nowhere to go.
All right, all right. So look out for the album, the new album from. It's not as yet completed, but you can look out for it. Judge and Jury. You understand me? And also, Jahnny Minott album is not as yet out,
Yeah.
but when you go search Jahnny Minott, Instagram, Facebook, search Echo Minott, Instagram, Facebook, they have songs out there on
Check
Amazon.
out the 2 single them, man. You see me new
Oh, you got some singles
Seal.
out. What are the name of the singles you have out, brother?
Yeah, man. New Revolution and Trouble. You see me? Them are just up the road, man. You see me?
And Kingston City.
Okay, so there's a song out now by the name of Trouble. Now I have that song there. I'm going to let the people them know. I'm going to drop that song from the man himself again. One more song from Jahnny Minott. The song is entitled Trouble. So, young youth, the mind on. Girl, I just had trouble. You have a song that come out and say them girl are wicked. And Jahnny Minott come out and counteract it and say them girl are trouble. You understand me? They're wicked. No, when song good in a brother, you understand me? So you can look out for that song. It's
Sealer, yes, man.
You can go out and support it. The song is entitled Trouble. And Echo, the song that didn't make it to the Do Road. More, before we go, I want you to sing that song there for me. More, give me a pre, you know? I want to end the show with that song that didn't make the Do Road. That you said was an extra from the Do Road.
You was cutting out. I don't hear you clean.
Okay. The song that you said that didn't make the Do Road album. I want you to end the show with that song for me. Yeah? With the melodies.
What song? Which song?
You were telling me you done the song with Melatones or something like that, right?
No. Which song?
I don't remember the name of the song just now. You said it didn't make the Do Road album because it was too much song. So
Meditation.
Okay, can you? I think that was it. Was it meditation? I'm not sure, but
I can't hear you because you're cutting out.
Okay, can you hear me now?
And which album is that?
The Do Road album.
Oh, Sweet Sensation.
That's Sweet Sensation. I want, before we go, because we have to wrap it up, because right now it looks like it's going to be a 2-day interview if I follow you, brother. You know?
I can feel.
So I want you to do that song for us, and then we wrap the show up, and then we come back next week with a different artist, different show. Yeah?
I can feel it, and you say goodbye. Oh, that sweet sensation. Lord, you got love and devotion. Won't forget your touch. There's nothing in you. Say goodbye. Oh, what a and I wish, brah, and I won't forget
Team Blue Radio.
your touch.
Blessed love, brother. Blessed love, blessed love. The internet,
Run it.
the internet is giving us a little bit of problem on the French side, but this was the man himself, Echo Minott, live for the first time on TEAMBLUE Entertainment Radio. You understand me? And the man, Jahnny Minott, his son. And I want to thank you guys for being here.
Yeah, long
This is my
time.
first interview for 2021. You understand me? Blessed love and peace and honor to the general and my uncle. You understand me? Blessed. And I thank you for being here on
More blessings, man. Yeah, me youth, you know.
the real.
I'm a family, you know. I mean, no.
So everyone that's on TEAMBLUE Entertainment Radio, thank you for
Big up.
being on the radio.
Up top, you know.
All right, blessings, blessings, blessings. Everyone that's locking
Yeah,
in on TEAMBLUE Entertainment Radio, big up on
I'm
the
gonna go live,
everyone
but
that's
not
locking in on Instagram. Thank you for coming in. You know that's something I got. Everyone that's locking in on Facebook. You know what to do. You know what to do. Share. And talk about it. Next week we are gonna be here with the man himself. Next week we're gonna have Big Wayne in the building. So look out next week. It's gonna be a crazy look. The man himself, Big Wayne. Yeah, youth. So next week, Big Wayne I got about to do him thing. So I want to thank everyone for tuning in. See you same time, same place next week. I'm out. I'm gonna be dropping one final tune from the general before I go. And that song your name. I'm a Gideon. You understand me? So I just have those.
TEAMBLUE Entertainment a gone. Tune in, sweet cocotte in lawn. Yo, this is sweet cocotte representing for TEAMBLUE Entertainment Online Radio.
I'll see you next week, same time, same place. You know the crazy one is in the building. You know this is DJBUE. Pick up the whole team. Pick up Richie Rich. The whole team and the whole staff that's logging in. Everyone that shared the link. Everyone that was here for the first interview for 2021. I must say sorry for the bad connection. It was not on our side, but you know it is. The internet is always unstable depending on where in the world you are. So next week, Saturday, same time, same place, we're going to have the man himself, Big Wayne. You know what I say, Big Wayne? Yo, Big Wayne is going to be here live. next Saturday, the 13th of March, 8 p.m. Europe time, 7 p.m. UK time, 2 p.m. Jamaican time, 2 p.m. Also United States time. So I gotta go. See you next week, same time, same place.
The station with the best music. Best music.
I love the music.
Best music. Team Blue on your radio. In your face. All over the place. We're online 24/7. 24/7. You're listening to the hottest internet station.
TEAMBLUE Entertainment artist Anthony Cruz.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have ignition. Strap in. You're about to listen to the hottest sound.
DJBUE! Show them how to play music!
In the mix. Back to back, beat to beat. Come on, DJ. Hit me with another track.
I DJBUE. Them days man have a clue, you know. But the world know you. Lock down the whole globe. Every city, every street, every block, every road. Pressure them, DJBUE.